And we are wasting no time. Today, welcome to Smackdown. We're starting off strong here with Jay White. Because everyone was left with questions that weren't answered. Why is Jay White going after Kenny Omega? Things are about to get a whole lot interesting. Because the Switchblade is now here. And I would have been staring at a way different champion at SummerSlam. Because I don't know, because if you guys saw the ending, you guys saw that Kenny Omega was this close to losing his Universal Championship. But luckily, MJF saved him. Lucky Kenny. But that answers the question if AJ Styles is better than Kenny Omega. That he was just so close to proving that he was better than him. But AJ Styles made a big mistake. What? AJ Styles is here? After that brutal attack, how is he still standing? Oh, dang. I guess he's not standing. Oh, my goodness. You think you could just come out here and try to take a prestigious belt on your first month? Huh? Just walk in here without starting from the bottom. That's not how it works here in WWE, babe. You work for everything. You don't get handed everything. So no, get in the back of the line. You do not deserve to go for the Universal Championship right now. It's still my turn. AJ, you want to run it? Break it down for you again. What you did. You took down the tag team champions, Jack Perry and Adam Cole. Right. To eliminate the distractions. But what you forgot to learn is what your consequences will be for that action. You canceled a tag team match between MJF and Wardlow by attacking their opponents, Jack Perry and Adam Cole. And guess what? You paid the consequences. You got a hard lesson and were dropped on your head. You deserve what was come for you. Now look who is standing here broken. No title. Whose fault is that? It's all yours. No, I'm gonna do everything in my power. I don't care if I have a broken leg, if I can't stand anymore, if I had to crawl to you. If you get a title shot, I'm gonna make sure that you will not win the title. I am not gonna let you take an easy way out. I'm not gonna take MJF beat me like that without there being consequences. I am gonna take everyone out. Starting with MJF. He's a sensitive little Oh my goodness! I thought I told you to stay down. Was that beating not enough? You cost me a championship. You're not gonna touch a single title. Now, what you have done to me, I'm not gonna stop until I get my revenge. Oh my goodness. AJ Styles ain't done now? Well, it's definitely done for good this time. Wow. Well, that ain't my problem. Because the problem is me. Watch out for Switchblade era. Bang, bang. Introducing my guest this time, Alberto Del Rio. So Alberto Del Rio, just gonna ask the question, why did you attack Hangman? It's plain and simple. He is sloppy. He just does hardcore matches. He is an unsafe worker. He doesn't belong in this company with many legends and greats. He's just another problem in the ring and backstage. He causes problems. And the last thing we want is someone who makes this place feel unsafe. Makes people fear for their lives. Someone is going to have to knock the sense out of him. And I am going to do it before it is too late. Hangman, realize that you are not in for an easy battle. You're facing one of the greatest luchadors of all time. Now it's time for our first women's Money in the Bank qualifying match. Oh wait, look who's here, ringside. It's none other than the new women's champion, Shayna Baszler, who defeated the YouTube champion, Raquel Rodriguez, at SummerSlam. Just gonna watch this match, see potential challengers for a title. Introducing to the ring, Shotzi. Shotzi, definitely an energetic wrestler. Someone who brings intensity to every single match. She does not mess around. Just look at her. But who is her opponent? Oh, look who's back! And her opponents, Toni Storm! A classical Toni Storm, who calculates every move precisely. It's back in WWE to hopefully get in the Money in the Bank ladder match. This is gonna be good. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Uppercut. Punch. Uppercut. Pushes her. Oh. Drop. Kick. To Shotzi. And now, oh! Throws her into the corner. Now just kicking her down. Runs to the corner. Oh, and a hip attack. Cover. 1, 2. Kick on a 2. Now, what is Tony doing here? Going up to the ropes. Oh, lands her face. Oh, kick to the back of the head. Oh, dropping on her neck. Oh, and a drop kick to the corner. Shotzi on a roll for the win. 1, 2. Not quite! Tony Storm going to the outside. Catch her breath. Who will be the first woman to make it to Money in the Bank? Wait, Shotzi from the top. No! Smash on the hardest part of the apron. That has gotta be it. Shotzi is done. 1, 2. But she's still in this. I don't know how in the world. What are these two running on? And now Tony Storm, forearms in the corner. Oh. Oh, knees. And I clearly could see the frustration is setting in with Tony Storm. Oh, now what's Tony doing? Went to the outside. That will be my time. And once it is mine, I will bring glamour to this division. Focus on the match. Wait! Oh my goodness! And Tony Storm saw Shotzi coming and threw Shotzi into Shayna. And now, as Shotzi up, Storm Breaker. 1, 2, 3. Tony Storm is going to Money in the Bank. Here is your winner, Tony Storm. These two definitely put on a brutal match. Not the ending I was expecting here with our new women's champion getting knocked out. But it's definitely the winner I was expecting. Tony Storm is heading to Money in the Bank. What an opener. And now it is time for the main event. Introducing to the ring is the Radar Superstar, Edge. A veteran in this business who has done it longer than anybody in this roster. Still got it. But does he have the strength against a big man like this guy. And his opponents, Lotso. He may look cuddly, but in the inside, it's cold. But it seems like Lotso, ever since pairing up with Woody, has been having a change of heart. Well, let's see if his heart is in the right place to be in the Money in the Bank ladder match. Never thought I'd see a match like this. Edge, Lotso, locking up. Oh, gonna go for a suplex. Edge standing his ground though. Oh, into the corner. Takes him down. Now Lotso is gonna take control here. Four corners to the radar. Superstar. Edge escaped and now Lotso. Edge got out. That could have been bad for Edge. The match probably would have ended right there if he would have landed that. Now Edge throwing Lotso inside the ring. And now Edge just gonna unload on the big man. That is Lotso. No, Lotso. Gets on the apron. And pulls on the neck. Taking Lotso down the outside. And now Edge taking, smashing his head into that apron. Oh my. And right into that stage. Lotso could be in deep trouble. Oh no! Running power slam to Edge. That could do it. 1, 2, kick out. Wow. What a showing here. Now, trying to do an arm drag to Edge. Edge gets on the top. Lotso gets up. Kick to the face, another kick. Takes him down. Elbow drop. Cover. 1, 2. No. Lotso body slam. Cover. 1, 2. These two not giving up. Powerful move after powerful move. No one is staying down. Lotso. Pick him up. Look, what's he looking for here? He got it. No. He won't. Gets out. Gets out once again. Suplex! The amount of strength it takes to take down a big man like Lotso is insane. The adrenaline in that moment for Edge must have been insane. There's something Edge can't do, but he has to capitalize on this soon. It's gonna slip away around his fingers. In the dream, they're going to the Money in the Bank to just slip away. Cover. 1, 2. No! Still! I thought that suplex was going to be it, but I guess not. Lotso's right there. And Edge, oh no! Oh! Edge is on the top. Oh! A knockout punch takes Edge out and on to the floor. And no! Oh! Just sitting on Edge. That is it. Putting him in the ring. Choke slam. Cover. 1, 2. Wait, his foot is on the rope. Edge is still in this. I don't know how. But some way, some shape or form, Edge is still in this. Well, so doesn't seem to argue with the ref now. Wait, but he should keep his focus on Edge, because Edge is back. Oh my goodness! And Edge just took out the ref. And now the ref's just stunned in that corner. Oh, bonsai drop. And he's not done yet. Another bonsai drop. Not like this. Lotso gonna take Edge off the ropes here. Trying to escape somehow, some way. He was knocked out. Choke slam from the heavens. Count the pin. The ref still dazed. 1, 2, 3. Here is your winner, Lotso. Oh my goodness. Edge. I don't know if he's the same man after that match. Lotso has just defeated the Radar Superstar. Edge is now heading to Money in the Bank. What a victory. What a match. And what a main event. We thank you guys for watching.